Dear students, let us see another question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial, f of x is equal to, or we can say polynomial in x, p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 4, find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Such a type of questions, this type of question, what we are learning now is board based question, board exam based questions. We are just saying it is not in the textbook, in NCERT textbook it is not given, but these type of questions will be asked in board exams. So we need alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is one of the 0 and beta is another 0. First of all, we should find the zeros. So finding zeros of this one. So let us so the product, we have to get the product is 4 and the sum we have to get as minus 5. So we know that 1 into 4, 1 plus 4, 5, right? That is correct. But here it is negative and here is negative, product is positive. So the chances both numbers can be negative. So negative plus negative 5, negative into negative, positive 4 we get. So we can write as x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. We can let it be 0. Then we can write here x, then easy to write here, x minus 1 into x minus 4. Since there is no coefficient, so I have written directly. Otherwise you can write the coefficient of x, we can divide. 1 by 1 is 1 and 4 by 1 is 4. There is no change. So x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 4. So let alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 4. So we got the alpha and beta values. Now let us find the alpha square plus beta square value. Now this values we are going to get from an identity, that is a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so instead of a and b we can write alpha. So alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus 2 into alpha beta plus beta square. Okay, what we need, alpha square and beta square only we need. So we can write this is one result we are getting. So we need only alpha square plus beta square, that only we need. So we can write here alpha plus beta the whole square. This term we can bring this side, so negative alpha beta we get. So what is alpha plus beta? That is sum of zeros. Alpha into beta, that is product of zeros. Okay, so we need a sum of zeros and product of zeros. So let us find alpha plus beta, that is sum of zeros, that is equal to 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. Next find sum of product of zeros, that is 1 into 4, that is equal to 4. So sum of zeros is 4, sum of zeros is 5 and product of zeros is 4. That we can apply here. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to what we have to write? Alpha plus beta whole square. So we have to write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, that is equal to alpha plus beta means what? Alpha plus beta is 5. So 5 square minus 2 alpha beta, 2 into alpha beta. 2 into alpha beta means 2 into 4. That is equal to 25 minus 8. That is equal to, we get 17. So that is the value. So alpha square plus beta square value is 17. The same question, let us find the value of this alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. We already found that alpha value, alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 4. We have already found that. So let us this identity or relation we have just we just saw that previous question. Let us take this one and we can do multiplication like this.
So let us take alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, which is equal to, let us do cross multiplication. When you do cross multiplication, alpha into alpha, alpha square plus beta into beta, beta square divided by alpha into beta, alpha into beta. So what is alpha square plus beta square? Here we have that result that we can apply here, which is equal to alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So divided by alpha beta. So which is equal to, what is alpha plus beta? We have to find the sum of zeros. 4 plus 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is what? 5. So 5 square minus 2 into alpha into beta. Alpha into beta. 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 4 divided by alpha beta divided by 4, which is equal to 25 square. 5 square is 25 minus 8 divided by 4, which is equal to, what is the answer we get? We get 17 by 4. So answer is 17 by 4. So third one, alpha cube plus beta cube. For this one, we are using identity a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 2ab into a plus b. Or we can write x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 2 into xy plus 2 into xy into x plus y. The same way we can write it. So here, instead of that, we are writing alpha beta. So alpha plus beta whole cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 2 into alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So next we can bring this side, so alpha plus beta whole cube minus 2 alpha beta into alpha plus beta, which is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. So when you bring this side, we get such a result. So instead of alpha cube plus beta cube, we can write these values. So which is equal to, we can write alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 2 alpha beta into alpha plus beta we can write. So what is alpha plus beta? Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is 5. 5 square is equal 5 cube. 5 cube minus 2 into alpha plus beta is equal to 4. Alpha into beta, product of zeros 4 into alpha plus beta, that is 5, which is equal to 5 in 5 cube. 25 is 5 square into 5 is 125. 125 minus, here we have to write 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 5, 40. So which is equal to, when you subtract 40 from it, so we get 85. So this one we can cross multiply. So we can write as alpha cube plus beta cube. When you multiply, cross multiply, alpha cube 1 into alpha cube, 1 into beta cube. So the same way, divided by alpha beta, alpha cube into beta cube. So this already we have result here. So we can write alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 2 alpha beta into alpha plus beta divided by this one we can write as alpha beta whole cube, because using exponential law we are using here. So the answer of it I am writing here. What is sum of alpha plus beta? Sum of zeros, that is 5 cube minus this one 2 into product of zeros is 4 into sum of zeros is 5. So divided by product of zeros is 4 whole cube, which is equal to, so answer of this already we just found that the answer is 85 divided by 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 cube, that is nothing but 85 by 64. So that is the answer of it. Let us see the another one. So this one we can cross multiply first.
Let us see the fifth question. This one first let us cross multiply. So alpha square into alpha plus beta square into beta divided by alpha into beta, which is equal to nothing but alpha cube plus beta cube divided by alpha beta. Cube plus beta cube, that value already we saw that we have to write as alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 2 alpha beta into alpha plus beta divided by alpha into beta, that is equal to this value we already just found that value is 85 divided by alpha into beta, that is 4. So this answer is 85 divided by 4. This we can write in mixed fraction also, so we get the answer. So thank you students for watching.